Alright, well, greetings and welcome to an unboxing with Labrador 5-4 Main Productions. With, of course, featured guest, Destiny of Cazadora. Desie, say hi. Say hi, Des. She just wants to lick my hand for some reason. Des, say hi. Well, I'll just let Des be Des, I guess. Oh, and she even uses her snout while I'm trying to get the iPad positioned. So in this video, I'm unboxing supposedly a Southwest Airlines Herpa 737. I think it's a 300. We'll see. And of course, right here, right now, I'm going to see what it is. And while I'm at it, although the original Southwest Airlines, or the Southwest Airlines as you know it, is gone, the liveries, or whatever you want to call them, and of course, the legacy, lives on, especially in my own head. Now, in my own head, the old Southwest Airlines lives on. And of course, I'm at it. Here's what's here. And for those who care about all this on the box, it's right here, because I know some of you do. So anyway, let's open this. Puny as I expected it to be. You are welcome. And I say that to Desie's owners too. Well, look what we have here. A Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-300 in desert gold livery here. And although the old Southwest Airlines is gone, the legacy in my own head lives on as well. And of course, I'm a human, I just want some wants. And of course, let's see what we have here. Oh, look at this. She just loves to use her snout. That's what you're doing. Look at this, Des. It's fun. Oh, look at that. A nice little puny plane, I'll say. All right. Hey, Des. It could be you. Oh, wow. Cover's off. Des, look what's here. Plane is out. Desie. Look, Des. Desie, look what's here. Now, Des, you may not eat the plane. She's okay, the knife's closed. Although there's no, Des, drop that. Just a piece of model box that is. Although there's no registration on this airplane here, you'll still see it's Southwest. Desie's still using her snout. She seems interested in the plane. And although there's no registration on this airplane, I'm a human and I wanted my wants. Therefore, I chose to get this. And in this room where I recorded, this was actually supposed to be the old Labrador 5-4 studio. And if only I'd known that I could have been 13 to have a YouTube account, or if there was such thing as YouTube Kids back then, I would have gotten one. So you can see this, as well as some of the other dogs we had. Some of you know me primarily as an aviation lover. Some of you know me as primarily an aviation lover or someone who only loves aviation. That's false, because look who's here. Des, you cannot eat the plane. Well, what I was really doing, since I had some money, was an integrity check to see who's real and who wasn't. Turns out whoever sent me this airplane is real. Ah, Des. You all know who's real and who isn't. Who's real and what isn't. That is our show. For the time being, do not have much to say. Except unbox something with something I like. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you all around. Man,